In my previous video, I talked about the listing date for the Not token, right, which is the Notcoin, right? And I gave you the three platforms which they are going to list their Notcoin on, all right, on the 16th of May, which is next week, right? And today I am going to show you how you can claim all your Notcoins, all right, into your Binance, OKX, and your Bybit account, right? I am going to use OKX for this video, but feel free to use any other because the process is the same, right? But in this video I am going to use the OKX. We are going to claim our Notcoin into our wallet, so when they list it, you are going to see the value of the Notcoin we have on our wallet, so that will be easy for us to trade with it or to withdraw, you understand? So there's no time to waste, let's get into it. Now, before I walk you through the process, I know a lot of people have vouchers, they're not vouchers. So the question is, what are we going to do with the vouchers, or what are we going to use the vouchers for? So I am going to give you an update concerning that, all right? So when I come to their Twitter account, right, and you can see this, okay, for those who trade why not, okay, or have vouchers. So if you have not vouchers or the Notcoin vouchers, the previous people who wanted to sell their Notcoin, okay, so if you have those vouchers and you want to convert it, or you want to swap, or you want to, you know, exchange it for the Not token itself, you will come to the shadify.app, all right? That is when you can swap or you can exchange your voucher into the Not token or the Notcoin itself, you understand? So it will be available when they list the token, all right, the network. So I'll leave the link of shadify.app at the description. So if you have vouchers and you want to exchange it for Not itself, then you go to that website on the time of listing. So let me quickly go to my Telegram bot of Notcoin. All right, so this is it. So when you come, you might be seeing something like this. Notcoin mining is over, the next phase is almost here, or maybe that's what you'll be seeing, right? So all you have to do is just click on the menu and you have to click on the stats, all right? So now you can see Notcoin claim is available. At first it was available for the premium users, so you have to keep on trying, okay, if you're a free user, and I am a free user and it's working, you understand? So that is it. So you have to just click on the open, then you wait for it to load. All right, so as you can see, welcome to the next phase. Connect your web3 wallet to continue your journey. You see it's automatical over here, right? When you open it for the first time and you don't see this, close it and reopen it again, and you're going to see the claim button. Okay, you just have to click on the claim and that is all. Or you might be seeing something like this, then you are good to go. All right, so I am going to click on connect wallet. So if you don't have an account with Bybit, OKX, Binance, you have to create one. But at the description down below, I'll link a video on how to create a Binance account. Okay, so if you don't have any of it, you can create a Binance account and connect it. All right, so all you have to do is click on connect wallet. Then you have to connect your Telegram wallet first, right? So just click on open wallet in Telegram, then you have to connect your Telegram wallet. All right, so I'm going to click on connect, and you can see community now connected. So I'm going to click on the open once again. All right, then you should see something like this, right? So now as you can see, so you have this is the Notcoin I have, this is my balance, and we have two sections over here. We have the plus and you have the top one. So the plus, when I click on the plus, you can see redeem your voucher. All right, so you can convert your vouchers into the Notcoin or the Not token, right? So you can just click on that and do that exactly. Or better still, you can just click on this. Okay, that's what we are going to talk about more. Then you click on exchanges. All right, so now this is our Telegram wallet with that we connected, right? And this is the balance we have. Right now, the plus that you can see over here is when you want to convert your voucher, okay, into your balance. All right, so you can convert voucher to your Notcoin, right? So when you click here, then you just click on redeem and it is going to redeem your voucher. voucher, right? So now what we want to do is we want to send our token, our Notcoin that we have, into our exchange, which is Bybit, Binance, or OKX, right? So all you have to do is just click here. All right, then we have the exchanges, wallet in Telegram, and level up to earn more. Okay, so the first one is if you want to transfer your Notcoin or your Not token to your exchange, which is Bybit, Binance, or OKX. What we are going to do right now in this video, you can also deposit it into your Telegram wallet. You understand? But I will not advise you to do that. Okay, I will advise you to send it to your exchange so that it will be easy for you to trade with it. You understand? And the third one is you can stake for 30 days. All right, so I'm going to click on the exchange over here, then click continue. Then I am going to choose OKX because that's what I want to use, right? So I'm going to click on OKX. Then please listen to me very carefully. If you are in India, then please don't use OKX because it is not allowed. Okay, you have been banned over there. So you can use Bybit, right? Or you can use Binance. All right, so I would advise you, if you're in India, you use Bybit. So apart from India, you can use OKX. And Ghana, sometimes Binance fucks up, okay, when it comes to the website aspect. So the mobile aspect there is cool, so you can use Binance or OKX or Bybit. All right, so I'm going to use the OKX and I'm going to click on send. Then you see, do you have an OKX account or you want to create one? Okay, so I have an account. I'm going to select I have. All right, so now this is where we are going to paste our address. Please and please, this is very serious aspect of all the process. If you miss this, you are going to lose your coins, you are going to lose your tokens. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, especially starting from here going, please. So now go to your exchange, whether Bybit, whether OKX, whether Binance. So I'm going to use OKX as I said earlier. So you have to log in into your account, as I have logged in into my account, right? So all you have to do is just hover your pointer on this and click on deposits. Okay, so if you are using Binance, it's the same thing. Go and click on deposit. Bybit, go and click on deposit. All right, so now when you are done at the crypto selection aspect, you just click on it, then you search for NOT, which is not. So you can see not, and the name is Notcoin and the symbol is not, right? So you just have to click on that, and that is it. The next one, which is a network, you click on that and you select the not torn, right? Just click on that. Now after you are done, just click next. All right, so I'm going to click on OK. That is it. So now we have two segments over here. The first segment is the not address, and the next one is the not comment, which is what we call the not tag or the not memo, right? So I am going to click here to copy. All right, so I am going into the bot again, so I'm going to paste it over there. So paste, then I'm going to copy my not comment, which is my not tag, all right, or my not memo. Okay, back to the bot, and I'm going to paste it over here as well, and I'm going to click on keep going. All right, then it says check your data. So you have to check if your address and the memo correspond with what you have on the exchange. It is really important. If you miss this, you are going to lose your token for life, and all your hard work will be in vain, right? Okay, so now I am going to check. I checked and everything is on point, right? Yes, so now click looks good, and yes, confirm withdrawal of 14,619 knots with 1.5% fee. So 1.5% fee will be deducted. So this will be like, let's say roughly 200 knots. That will be what deducted for that. So I'll be like having 14,400 plus, right? So I'm going to click on I confirm over here. Then you can see done. Your Notcoin will be deposited to your account at the time of listing. So on the 16th, my Notcoin will be deposited into my account. So when you see this, you have successfully deposited your Notcoin into your exchange or your wallet. Okay, so that is it. Now click nice, and that is all. So now you can see that at this section my not is no more. Okay, when you check down here you can see withdrawal, and this is the total amount of not I am withdrawing. All right, so when I click here you can see withdrawal process not will be available on the listing date. Then I'm going to click got it, and this brings us to the end of this video. Right, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. If you have any suggestion, leave it at the comment section. And if you are enjoying this video as well, make sure you give me a like, and please make sure you watch the video to the end before you attempt on the procedure. You understand? Let's meet next time. Goodbye.